Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you probably know, it is the 4th of July, and I also want to thank all my subscribers for 200 subscribers, as I just hit the 200 mark, and I really want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I actually just recently hit an additional 2 subs, so now I have 200. So now I have 202 subscribers, and I really want to thank you guys so much. Also, as you could probably tell, the R32s recently came back into service on the J and Z lines. So for now, they're gonna be out during rush hour on the Z train, since the Z train is a skip stop rush hour train only during the AM rush, which is from like 7 in the morning until 8:15 a.m. in the morning, and then from like the PM evening rush, it's from like 4:30 until 5:45 p.m. in the afternoon. So basically, yeah, I mean, basically if you type in like MTA R32's returned, you're gonna see that they came back. And there's my video right there, where transit update. I didn't catch the R32s yet, unfortunately, but I hope to catch them soon. You could see that people already caught it. For now, it's only out during rush hour, from what I heard. But, yeah, I mean, yeah, for now, it's in rush hour service as far as I'm concerned. So if you do MTA R32s, J and Z, I think. Yeah. Some of these videos are old, but there is some recent footage, as you could see. Yeah, basically, it's only during rush hour for now. But, yeah. Anyways, I want to, once again, thank you guys so much for over 200 subscribers. And as far as I'm concerned, the R32s so far are only available for rush hour use only. Hopefully in the weeks to come, they'll also run during non-rush hour. But, you know, I'll update you guys and let you know. And, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And once again, happy 4th July. Have a great weekend and enjoy your 4th of July.